Deep within the lush rainforests of Central and South America lives a creature of captivating peculiarity. This is the domain of the sloth, an animal so unique it seems almost mythical. Often mistaken for primates, sloths are actually classified as Xenothera, a group that includes anteaters and armadillos. They are masters of their arboreal domain, perfectly adapted for life in the canopy, where they spend most of their existence hanging upside down, their shaggy fur, often hosting a miniature ecosystem of algae and insects, provides them with camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into the rainforest. The sloth's life is a testament to the power of adaptation, a symphony of slowness played out in the heart of the rainforest. Imagine a world where gravity seems to have lost its grip, where life is lived in perpetual slow motion, suspended beneath the verdant canopy. Their limbs, specifically designed for hanging, are equipped with long, curved claws that act like grappling hooks, anchoring them securely to the branches. Their internal organs are uniquely arranged to accommodate their upside-down lifestyle, preventing their weight from compressing their lungs and hindering their breathing. This inverted existence is perfectly natural for the sloth, a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The sloth's digestive process is a leisurely affair, taking up to a month to fully digest a single meal. In the dappled light of the rainforest understory, the sloth transforms into a master of disguise, its shaggy fur becoming a living, breathing camouflage. The sloth's fur provides the algae with a stable platform and access to sunlight, essential for photosynthesis. In return, the algae provides the sloth with greenish-brown camouflage, making it almost indistinguishable from the surrounding vegetation. The fur also provides a home for a variety of insects, including moths, beetles, and even a species of algae-eating moth found nowhere else on Earth. This miniature ecosystem, thriving within the sloth's fur, further enhances its camouflage, blurring the lines between animal and environment. The sloth becomes a microcosm of the rainforest itself, a living testament to the intricate web of life that sustains this remarkable habitat. Picture a world painted in vibrant hues of green, a symphony of life echoing through towering trees draped in emerald vines. This is the rainforest, the sloth's sanctuary, a realm teeming with life in its most diverse and extraordinary forms. From the steamy jungles of the Amazon basin to the cloud forests of the Andes, sloths have carved their niche in this arboreal paradise. Each region, with its unique microclimate and vegetation, offers a different flavor of this tropical haven. The rainforest's multi-layered structure, with its intricate network of branches, vines, and foliage, provides sloths with a three-dimensional playground and a safe haven from predators. Here, amidst the abundance of life, sloths have perfected the art of slow living, their movements a graceful ballet in tune with the rhythm of the rainforest. In the rainforest, life takes on a vertical dimension, with creatures inhabiting every stratum from the forest floor to the canopy high above. Sloths, masters of the canopy, have evolved to navigate this arboreal world with effortless grace. Their long curved claws, more akin to hooks than claws, are perfectly designed for gripping branches and hanging upside down. This inverted lifestyle offers a unique perspective on the rainforest, allowing sloths to exploit food sources inaccessible to other animals. They may be slow, but they are perfectly adapted to their arboreal domain, moving with a grace and efficiency that belies their languid pace. While rainforests represent the quintessential sloth habitat, these adaptable creatures can also be found in a surprising array of environments. From the humid swamps of coastal regions to the drier, more open forests, sloths have proven their resilience and adaptability. In these varied habitats, sloths face different challenges and have developed unique adaptations to cope. Their fur may vary in color and texture depending on their environment, providing optimal camouflage in their particular habitat. This adaptability highlights the sloth's resilience and its ability to persist in the face of environmental change. The sloth's existence is inextricably linked to the health of the rainforest. As herbivores, sloths play a crucial role in seed dispersal. The seeds of many rainforest plants pass through their digestive system unharmed, and their slow movements mean these seeds are deposited far and wide. Their presence also supports a surprising array of other creatures. Some bird species have even been observed foraging for insects in the fur of sloths, highlighting the interconnectedness of life in this complex ecosystem. Protecting sloths means protecting the entire web of life that depends on them, ensuring that this vibrant ecosystem continues to thrive for generations to come. High in the rainforest canopy, the sloth enjoys a peaceful, leafy existence. Their diet revolves around a select menu of tender leaves, buds, and shoots. These arboreal herbivores are particularly fond of the cecropia tree, often called the sloth tree due to its popularity among these slow-moving mammals. With their strong jaws and specialized teeth, sloths expertly strip leaves from branches, their long tongues aiding in navigating the leafy terrain. They are selective eaters, often preferring young, tender leaves over older, tougher foliage. The sloth's diet, while seemingly limited, is perfectly tailored to their slow-paced lifestyle and the abundance of their arboreal pantry. In the fast-paced world of the animal kingdom, where speed and agility often dictate survival, the sloth marches to the beat of a different drummer. Their slow metabolism, a defining characteristic of their existence, is intricately linked to their diet and lifestyle. Unlike most mammals, who rely on a high metabolic rate to fuel their active lives, sloths have evolved to thrive on a low-energy budget. Food can remain in their digestive tract for up to a month, undergoing a slow and thorough fermentation process. This extended digestion time allows sloths to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food, compensating for their low-energy diet. Their slow, deliberate movements are not a sign of laziness, but rather a testament to their remarkable adaptation to a low-energy lifestyle. While leaves form the cornerstone of the sloth's diet, these adaptable creatures are not averse to supplementing their leafy meals with the occasional treat. Flowers, fruits, and tender shoots offer a welcome change of pace and provide additional nutrients. Occasionally, sloths may even ingest small insects or bird eggs, inadvertently consumed while foraging for leaves. Their opportunistic nature allows them to take advantage of available food sources, ensuring their nutritional needs are met. This dietary flexibility highlights the sloth's ability to adapt and thrive in a constantly changing environment. Life in the rainforest canopy presents unique challenges, not least of which is access to fresh water. Their primary source of water comes from the moisture present in the leaves they consume. Lush rainforest leaves, particularly after a rainfall, hold a surprising amount of water, providing sloths with a readily available source of hydration. In addition to their leafy hydration strategy, sloths are known to descend from their canopy homes once a week to drink from forest pools or streams. Their adaptation to their environment, from their diet to their water intake, showcases the sloth's remarkable ability to thrive in the rainforest canopy. In the heart of the rainforest, where life explodes in a riot of color and sound, the sloth moves to a different rhythm, a languid tempo dictated by energy conservation and camouflage. Their muscles, specifically adapted for their upside-down lifestyle, are designed for strength and endurance rather than speed. This allows them to hang effortlessly for extended periods, conserving precious energy that would otherwise be expended on constant movement. Their slow metabolism means they require far less food than other mammals of similar size, allowing them to thrive on a diet of nutrient-poor leaves. Their slow movements also play a crucial role in their survival by making them less visible to predators. In a world where stealth and camouflage can mean the difference between life and death, the sloth's slowness becomes its greatest asset. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the rainforest floor, the sloth awakens from its daytime slumber, ready to embrace the cool embrace of the night. Unlike many rainforest inhabitants who are most active during the day, sloths are primarily nocturnal, venturing out under the cover of darkness to feed and socialize. The cooler temperatures at night reduce the risk of overheating, a constant concern for animals with such a slow metabolic rate. The cover of darkness also provides added protection from predators, allowing sloths to move about with relative safety. Under the soft glow of the moon and stars, the sloth comes alive, its slow, deliberate movements taking on an almost ethereal quality as it moves through its shadowy domain. Despite their reputation as solitary creatures, sloths do engage in social interactions, albeit in their own unique and often subtle ways. While they spend the majority of their lives alone, their paths do cross, leading to moments of brief but significant connection. During mating season, the rainforest echoes with the sloth's surprisingly loud calls, a far cry from their usually quiet demeanor. While females raise their young alone, young sloths often remain close to their mothers for several months, learning the ways of the rainforest and honing their survival skills. Even after reaching independence, sloths may occasionally cross paths, engaging in quiet interactions that solidify their social bonds and maintain a sense of community within their solitary lives. Contrary to popular belief, sloths are not incapable of moving quickly when the situation demands it. While their deliberate movements are the norm, they can unleash a surprising turn of speed when threatened or presented with an opportunity. These bursts of energy, though short-lived, shatter the illusion of perpetual slowness, revealing a hidden athleticism that belies their leisurely reputation. When faced with a predator, a sloth may use its powerful claws to defend itself, delivering surprisingly strong swipes with surprising agility. Their ability to rotate their heads almost 360 degrees gives them a wide field of view, allowing them to monitor their surroundings and react quickly to potential threats. Perhaps their most surprising feat of athleticism is their swimming ability. Despite their slow movements on land, sloths are surprisingly strong swimmers, using their long arms to propel themselves through the water with unexpected grace. This hidden talent proves invaluable in rainforest environments, where rivers and streams often pose obstacles to movement. In the heart of the rainforest canopy, a mother sloth cradles her newborn, their bond a testament to the power of patience and protection in this slow-paced world. Sloth mothers are fiercely devoted to their offspring, providing them with unwavering care and guidance during their first vulnerable months of life. The baby sloth, clinging tightly to its mother's fur, embarks on a journey of discovery, learning the ways of the rainforest from its patient and protective parent. The mother's slow movements provide a stable and secure environment for the developing youngster, allowing it to observe and learn at its own pace. For the first few months of its life, the baby sloth relies solely on its mother's milk for nourishment. As it grows, it begins to sample its mother's diet of leaves, gradually transitioning to a life of independence. Throughout this process, the mother sloth remains a constant source of support and guidance, ensuring her offspring's survival in the challenging rainforest environment. High in the rainforest canopy, danger lurks for the sloth. Jaguars with their powerful limbs and harpy eagles with their razor-sharp talons are formidable foes. Snakes, particularly boa constrictors, also pose a threat, especially to young sloths. Survival in the rainforest is a delicate balancing act. As the human footprint expands, rainforests face unprecedented threats. Deforestation from logging, agriculture, and mining shrinks the sloth's home. Fragmented canopies disrupt sloths' movement and access to food. Even small losses have devastating consequences for sloths. Habitat fragmentation makes sloths vulnerable. This disrupts the rainforest ecosystem, affecting countless species. Sloths are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to conflict. Power lines crisscrossing the rainforest pose a deadly threat to sloths. Their instinct to climb can prove fatal when they encounter these wires. Efforts are underway to mitigate this threat. The plight of the sloth is a stark reminder of the urgent need to protect our planet's biodiversity. These gentle creatures face threats from habitat loss to electrocution. Their survival hinges on our willingness to act now. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation, research, and education. Establishing protected areas is crucial for safeguarding sloth populations. Public awareness campaigns promote responsible tourism practices. Supporting sloth conservation organizations can make a tangible difference. The time to act is now, before the rainforest falls silent. The sloth's unhurried existence is a testament to adaptation and the diversity of life on Earth. Their slow movements and low-energy lifestyle are perfectly attuned to their arboreal domain. Their presence enriches the rainforest, interwoven with countless other species. Their fur provides a haven for insects, algae, and fungi, highlighting interdependence. As seed dispersers, they maintain the genetic diversity of rainforest plants. We've uncovered their fascinating adaptations and strong swimming abilities. We've seen their social interactions, devotion to their young, and vulnerability. Their story reveals complexity and underscores the importance of protection. The challenges facing sloths are significant, but not insurmountable. While habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflict cast a long shadow over their future, glimmers of hope emerge from the tireless efforts of conservationists, researchers, and communities dedicated to protecting these gentle giants and their rainforest home. Across Central and South America, protected areas are being established and expanded, providing safe havens for sloths and other endangered species. Reforestation projects are working to restore degraded habitats, stitching together fragmented forests and creating corridors for sloths to move freely and safely. Community-based conservation initiatives are empowering local people to become stewards of their natural heritage, recognizing the intrinsic value of sloths and the vital role they play in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. These efforts, driven by passion, knowledge, and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all living things, offer a beacon of hope for the future of sloths and the irreplaceable rainforests they inhabit. The fate of the sloth rests in our hands. Their survival hinges on our choices. Our journey revealed their vulnerability. Support sustainable practices and reduce our carbon footprint. Educate about biodiversity and support conservation. Make conscious consumer choices. The sloth's slow progress reminds us of our impact. Embrace their wisdom for a balanced future. Let the symphony of slowness echo through the rainforests, a testament to nature's delicate balance.